Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a quick cooking video as always, because you know cooking is very tedious and I ain't got time to be in the kitchen all day. So today I'm gonna be making some yellow rice with some corn and string beans mixed and some, I don't know, they would consider it my favorite chicken chunks, but we ain't having chunks today, we having strips. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. So if y'all watching this far, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, that way you be notified when I post. And stay tuned for the rest of this video. Okay, here we have the chicken frying up. This is what we have here in this bowl, a whole bunch of chicken. And this is our flour and some chicken in there. Then we got some water for the rice. I'm going to add in some sazon to make the yellow rice. And then here is our mixed string beans and corn. It's already been heated up, but I'm going to cover it back up. And that's it. Okay, I'm about to add in some sazon to this. There's the sazon. And then we're going to let this boil some and then add in our rice. Of course, we got our chicken frying, and this is my floured up pan. We're just going to turn these over. I mean, I don't believe in gloves. Everything has to be hands on. It's okay to get your hands dirty. Woo! Yeah, but look at this. These don't just come along together. Like, nicely. It's more like chicken tenders. So I guess that's just what we're going to call them today. Chicken tenders. We're going to add our rice into here. And I don't never measure, I just eyeball. And we're going to wait till this comes to a boil. Alright, I think these chickens are done. Oh no, not this one. This one needs to stand a little longer. Alright, we're going to let these two sit in for longer. And then I'm going to do some more chicken and then put them in. Look at those beauties. This rice is almost done. Just got a little bit of water left in it. And we're just going to put this on low. And then that's all she wrote for this. Okay, our rice is done. And of course, these is already done. And then this is our chicken. We're going to fry up the last batch of this off camera. So this basically concludes this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. That way you know if I want to post. And until next time, we out of here. Peace.